Hey, I'm Landon from AirVantage Heating and Cooling. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you're likely getting a quote from us regarding a hot water tank. So we just wanted to go over and explain what you get with our installations. All right, so we're in our training room right now. This is where we go over all the installation process with our technicians, and then also gives them kind of a visual of what everything should look like at the end of the day. So this here is our Bradford White natural gas 40-gallon hot water tank. It's the most common tank that we see in most homes. It heats enough hot water for typically anywhere from 2 to 4 people, right? So just wanted to go over exactly what our installations look like and what you get with them when you choose AirVantage. So obviously, number one, this here is an expansion tank. This is for thermal expansion. This here is our vacuum breaker. And then whenever we do an installation, we like to get rid of, a good 2 feet of the copper and kind of start all fresh and make everything look nice. So these here are our ProPress fittings. And this here is a webstone bracket that we use on every single install. Make sure it keeps everything neat and tidy. And then if we ever need to do any repairs on our expansion tank or whatever the case may be, we can just shut it off right there. And then you got your main shut off here. So as well, we have our earthquake strapping. So we got one up top, one near the middle down here that are specifically designed for the hot water heater. This right here is our gas permit that we put on every single one of our jobs. And then down at the bottom here, this is a drain pan. Typically they either have a side spout or a down spout. And that's just basically to protect your home from if there were any water leaks or anything like that. So the other thing I should mention is on all of our systems, we have 2 different warranty types. So we have a 6-year or a 10-year warranty. So what that means is a bumper to bumper warranty. So if you had any issues whatsoever from the gas valve to the relief valve to the whole thing leaking in under that 6 years, we would come out and we replace it absolutely no charge. So it's complete peace of mind for 6 years or 10 years, whatever package you do decide to go with. And with all of our AirVantage installations, they obviously come with our guarantees, which is the property protection guarantee, the $500 no frustration guarantee, the risk-free guarantee, and the superior installation guarantee. Obviously, there's a number of different tanks. This here is just your standard gas hot water heater. Yours might be an electric, but the whole goal of this video is just to explain the installation and what we provide on it and the care and peace of mind that you're going to get when you choose an AirVantage install. So there are also more efficient options like power vented hot water heaters and as well as tankless water heaters. So if it's something that you're running out of hot water with a 40-gallon or a 50-gallon, that might be something that you want to look into. So if you have any more questions, you can give our office a call. We'd be more than happy to help. Other than that, we appreciate you watching the video and hope you have a great day.